Welcome to Godwood. It's where it's all started at, man. You see those tracks? That's where they all used to play together. When times were innocent, rap hadn't made its way into the ears of our youth yet. Well, all that has changed now. The year's 92. Gang wars and riots are erupting in Los Angeles. And every small and large town along the way is being affected with what poor young Americans call music. It's that gangster rap. This is a story about two rappers from a small town in Kentucky. The least likely place for gangster rap. That's what's crazy about this kind of music though, man. It doesn't matter if you're white, black, Asian, Mexican, or alien. You might get caught up in real then. And that's what happened to Dub. Dude was your average white boy. A bit rebellious. Hit church every Sunday. Helped his grandma wash the dishes and shit, you know, the average life. That's when he discovered gangster rap. Shit out though. Alright.
There you go, bitch. You don't really wanna fuck with this. I pull that ammo double, let's work out the trunk and hit. And eat your homies, ducking y'all bitch made motherfuckers. Can't escape the wrath of the boss, but I thought you heard them shots in the distance. Those your homies, they getting cut down on tats on toes. Those your homies, y'all killers hiding out like hoes. That's when I come sniffing out these fools like canine cops. I spot this shoot without reading no right your ass.
Dub was the most dedicated rapper I knew. I've been recording fools for 10 years and no one, not even Glaucoma, came in this bitch that much. Dub was so in love with gangster rap that he didn't even realize the shit was more than an image broadcast on MTV.
Tight, dog. Thanks, man. You coming up, man. Hey, you got that motherfucking money for this studio time? Ain't nobody getting shit for free, dog. I gotta have to get that shit right now, Alright, man, so you better out the phone.
Cash, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, Glaucoma in the motherfucking house, God. Sitting in this motherfucker, man. What the fuck you doing? Who the fuck is you? Man, this is my studio time. First of all, don't ever get my goddamn way. Who the fuck is you, homie, man?
Hey, yo, motherfucker,
Who the fuck is my studio time? Don't play.
This man right here already paid for time, Glock.
I don't give a fuck what he paid for. This is me. This is Glock in this motherfucker, man.
He already paid for the whole day.
I'll sell this cat every day of the week. This is my time.
Get your ass out
Don't
of
give
this.
a fuck, man.
Pay for the week.
You opposing that motherfucker? This is me, Glaucoma, motherfucker.
Yeah, go ahead.
I got my own shit there. I'll be back. I get my own dude.
Oh, Mark ass motherfucker.
See, Glaucoma was the kind of motherfucker who could just ruin a day. This fool had nothing to do in his life except look for a new way to die. But that shit'll never happen. Garwood couldn't get that lucky. That fool Glaucoma came straight from the hood. And that fool probably never leave either. This dude sold 10,000 copies in 1 year. And all he has to show for it is a bad drinking problem and a new fucking escort. The day I kicked him out of the studio, I knew there was gonna be problems.
Dude, that shit was wild, dog.
If he comes back, just give me a call, man. I'll be over here quick.
Watch out for that motherfucker. He could be around the corner any time,
He
cuz.
ain't coming back, man. I'll put that heat in his face.
Alright,
Motherfucking
dog.
bitch.
You did good work today,
Yeah,
dog.
man. Hit me up, bro.
Deuces.
Yeah, what's up now, motherfucker? Yeah, I'm back in this motherfucker. Now, who's your boy?
What you talk about?
Who's your motherfucking
What
boy?
you talk about, dog?
Who dude that was here earlier? It's this motherfucker, dog. Sit the fuck back, dog. I ain't
dog.
playing with you, dog.
I don't know who
You know I
talking
don't play
about,
this
cuz.
motherfucker.
I don't know who he is.
You know I don't play.
know who he is.
You know I don't play.
I don't know who he is.
Motherfucker, you gonna tell me who the fuck your boy is,
I
dog?
don't know who the fuck
I don't
he
give
is.
a fuck which dog. You know who that cat is. He
Fuck
paid
you,
you.
Glaucoma.
Think, motherfucker, you know what? So where the fuck he stay at, man? What's his goddamn name? Huh?
Oh, it's Dub.
Dove. Where the fuck he stay at?
That motherfucker's down East 12.
East 12. Where at on East 12?
The motherfucker drives a Monte Carlo.
The Monte Carlo, I see that motherfucker. I tell you what, dog. If that motherfucker ain't there, you a dead man.
Somebody notify the coroner, cause you a goner. I'm putting it on you with headhunters. Mac 11 gun.